Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are exploring the meaning of Al-QADIR. Allah is the all-powerful who does what He wills and as He wills. Allah has created the universe as a mirror to reflect His power. He created the universe by Himself without needing the help of anything from nothing, with neither materials nor model. He said, "Be," and it became. If He wills, He can destroy everything and send all back to nothingness. If a thing has not happened, it is not because He does not have the power to make it happen. It is because He has not willed it. Al-QADIR has infinite ability. His capacity for causing things to happen, His powers of invention and creation are conditioned by only one thing, His will. The good servant of Allah to look into the mirror of the universe, see the billions of the suns and galaxies within the immeasurable depths of the heavens above, defying mind and imagination. We should also observe how, just as these galaxies swim in their allotted paths, innumerable creatures swim in a drop of water, how from two cells Allah creates a human being who becomes a microcosm containing all that exists, how He gives a tiny piece of bone in the ear the ability to hear, and a piece of meat in the mouth the ability to speak. Isn't a believer going to prostrate in awe and respect? Such recognition of the immensity of divine power is our greatest honor. So my dear, who is Abdul Qadir? Abdul Qadir is the one who is a witness to everything made by hand of power of Allah. The manifestation of Allah's power is spoken as Allah's hand. Nothing can stop that which is made by Allah's hand. If a believer recites this name while washing each member in the course of making his ablution, it will give strength to his members. If someone who is suffering from unrequited love keeps reciting this name 305 repetitions at a time, either the beloved will respond or the suffering will cease. Assalamu alaikum.